if you hear some echo when recording into the Windows, sometimes it was happening because there's a distracting element problem. So let's see what causes that echo and shut it off. So first of all, let's turn off listen to this specific device. When you right click to the speaker icon directly into your taskbar, you want to go and open the sound settings. Then you can go for the element that says more sound settings, and directly here go to the recording tab section. So when you go for recording, you can check out, for example, the microphone that you think that is happening this element. For example, in my case, I'm going to go for this one, and I'm going to go for right click, and I'm going to go for properties. So if you go for the listened section, make sure that listened to this device is unchecked. Really important. This single setting causes the vast majority of the recording echoes. You're good to go. Now, just in case this didn't work for you, if your speakers are on while you record, your mic is picking up your own audio output, and the re-recording is a split second later. So you wanted to switch to the headphones during the recording breaks that loop completely while you are actually recording. So take that in mind. And for this, you can always make sure that when it says the input, you wanted to choose the right one. In my case, is go for the microphone from the computer, but here I have more microphones from the actual interface. So you wanted to take that in mind. Now, if you need speakers for some reason, you want to turn the volume down as low as you can tolerate. The louder your speakers, the more of that sounds your microphone will pick it back up. What I do is to input my own headphones and connect it directly from my actual audio interface to don't see and sound listen to that specific echo. Then something else is that back into the recording tab, what you can do is to open the Microsoft properties to go to the actual levels and make sure that the section that is sometimes called the sensibility, for example, you can level it up, lower the microphone boost or overall level if it's set very, very, very high. This is depending into the DAW or the recording place where you want to make this recording stuff. And lastly, something else that you can do, just the last solution, is that if the echoes is happening, even with the headphones on and listen turned off, it's likely your room bouncing sounds around, so move closer to your microphone. If it's possible, record in a smaller space with soft surfaces like cotton, rugs, or a closet full of clothes to absorb the reflections. Something else that I can totally suggest is to try out with another microphone just to make sure that it doesn't happen with your computer, and it's only rather with the actual microphone. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. If this fixes for you, or you have another solution, you can let us know once again into the comments below so we can all see other solutions and try to solve the issue, let's say, as a community. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.